this is RadioKing. Here's a fresh installation of CT200h. We installed the special radio for this car. We kept the existing system, which is original one. We kept on this display, and we installed the new system as well. That's with the CarPlay, with all apps, with YouTube, as well the synchronization with contacts, with CarPlay. That's Android Auto currently on the screen. Also, we have the original system, which on for climate control and all audios and radio stations. It works. I can see the climate control is on, and the radio stations are appearing as well. You can check them. On a new CarPlay, you're getting the music player. Also, you're getting the video player as well. And the navigation, it works through the hotspot or through the Bluetooth. You can check on CarPlay. You're just going for maps, and it works. Also on rest apps, them are working through the hotspot. That's the navigation, Play Store, the YouTube. All of them is working perfectly. I had the Google synchronization with contacts as well. That's it. Thank you.